It was a busy afternoon in northwestern Raleigh. It was very hot today. It was near 90 degrees. So, the train schedule had been reduced. But anyway, Sir Anthony Topham had sat in his office on the phone with another guest controller, Mr. Wickham. Mr. Wiggle. Excuse me. Yes, no, Mr. Percival was only a character in the TV show. Yes. No, I don't have a bologna sandwich. Oh, you meant the bologna sandwich to be funny? Oh, okay. So, how many interesting outlines today in this sheet? Oh, only a few. No, obviously, it's very hot today, and guess what to the sheet side? Ah! Understandable. So, the museum is building 3 more engines? Oh, that's interesting. Our works is building 3 more engines. Ah! I thought you would never ask about the Daily Series. Yes. When should we do it? I see. Yeah, September actually works out perfect. I don't want to do it during the summer, because what if the passengers pass out due to heat exhaustion? Meanwhile, outside the Vat Controller's office, Henry Sagita, what the heck is going on in there? Sounds like a lot of hoopla. Hoopla! Oh, suddenly it is hot out. But our controller is talking to the navigator's controller. Mr. Wiggle. Wiggle. Give me a tire, Wiggle. It's a gator? Yeah. Why? Oh, no question. So what do you think he's talking about on the phone? Tell me about baloney, said MD. Baloney? Who wants baloney on a day like this? Maybe the Fat Control is hungry. Ah. But Gator, do you know what's famous around here? Oh, yes! The Lily Series, not that boring. 2D animation show that's going around these days on the telly. Yes, and Emily, that's a no-no. Until there are a few good characters from that. Yes, Gator. That black man was autistic. Bruno. And then there's that Japanese bullet engine, said MD. Kenya. But anyway, did you know the very series is almost 80 years old? No kidding. It's like it is 80 years old. That's a long time. Yes, Emily, it is a long time. Shall we introduce the viewers with a fun fact? What? About you? Yes. Instead of me being built in 1919, I was built in 1918, a year earlier. Oh. By the way, Gator, shall we do the honors? Let's get our singing voices on, said Gator. You start, said Henry. Oh, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nigel Grassley. Happy birthday to you. Yes, said Henry. You guys don't know today is Sir Nigel Grassley's birthday. The human. So, anyway, we'd like to thank you all for watching and goodbye. Yes, again, goodbye.